Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your more like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see how the natural gas futures started an uptrend from September 21st, 2020 when it found a strong base at the levels of $1.8, and since then we have seen a sharp bounce back in natural gas futures, but the natural gas futures showed a gap up opening on September 29th. Here you can see that a big gap up was there, and after that this uptrend continued up to October 27th, and once again the natural gas futures created a gap up here and tested a high at the levels of $3.999 on October 30th, when the natural gas futures started a downtrend but continued this journey in tumultuous way, and after testing a low at $2.243 on December 28, natural gas futures once again showed a strong upward move and tested a high at the levels of $2.9 on January 12, 2021. But once again, you can see that a downward move was there when the natural gas futures tested a low at $2.424. So here I find that the natural gas futures have finally found a strong base at the levels of $2.424, and once again the natural gas futures showed a strong upward move when they tested the levels of $3.317 on February 17th, and once again the natural gas futures started to move downward and tested a low at the levels of $2.442 on March 18, 2021, from where the natural gas futures found some bounce back up to the levels of $2.690 on March 30th. But once again a downward move was there when the natural gas futures once again found a strong support at the levels of $2.461 on April 6th. Since then the natural gas futures have been showing a strong upward journey, from where I find that the natural gas futures could complete this cup-shaped recovery during the upcoming weeks, where a gap-up opening on the first trading session of this week has confirmed the continuity of this uptrend in natural gas futures, where you can see that the natural gas futures have been currently facing stiff resistance at the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2.711. And here I find that a breakout above the 50 days moving average will continue this uptrend in natural gas futures, where my expected trading zone for this week will be this one, where I find that a downward move in natural gas futures below the levels of $2.660 will provide a good opportunity to go long at the levels of $2.560, where the 200 days moving average has been providing a strong support from a long time. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures moved downward below the 200 days moving average but found a strong support here, and after finding a strong support at 200 days moving average, natural gas futures finally showed a breakout move here. And here you can see that how this gap up opening on the first trading session of this week has confirmed this continuity of an uptrend in natural gas futures during the upcoming weeks, where my expected trading zones for natural gas futures will be amid this cup shape formation, where I find that any upward move above the upper end of this cup will provide a good opportunity to go short. Friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sharp upward move above the levels of $3.059, natural gas futures will provide a good opportunity to go short from here, and below the levels of $2.655, natural gas futures could provide a good buying opportunity from here at the levels of $2.575, natural gas futures could provide a strong buying opportunity where my stop loss levels will be at the levels of $2.538, where I find that the natural gas futures could trade amid this trading zone during this week. So this is my expected trading zone for natural gas futures, where I find that the natural gas futures could continue to show highly volatile moves during this week, but the overall trend could remain bullish during the upcoming weeks. So here I find that the natural gas futures look ready to complete this saucer-like shape during the upcoming week, where the final target for bulls will be at the levels of $3.594. Friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here you can see that in an hourly time frame, this bullish crossover when the 20 days moving average has crossed the 50 days moving average has confirmed the continuity of a bullish move when the natural gas futures have already closed the last week above the 20 days moving average, where the confirmation of a gap up opening on the first trading session of this week was confirmed. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have started this week from the levels of $2.720 and currently trading at the levels of $2.718. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could continue this uptrend where the final target could be at the levels of $2.848 for today. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustainable move above the levels of $2.848, we'll see a sharp upward move up to the levels of $3.055 during this week. So friends, here I find that this could be a beginning of a breakout move in natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.